Outemu Switches Tester for mechanical keyboard blue red brown black purple green. Outemu Switches Tester for mechanical keyboard. A must-have for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. If you're a mechanical keyboard enthusiast, then you know that one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a keyboard is the switches. There are many different types of switches available, each with its own unique feel and sound. And if you're not sure which type of switch is right for you, then a switch tester is a great way to try out different options before making a purchase. The Outemu Switches Tester is a great option for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who want to try out different switches. It features a total of 12 switches, including blue, red, brown, black, purple, green, gold, silver, silent white, and tactile gray. This gives you a wide variety of switches to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. The Outemu Switches Tester is also very well made. The housing is made of durable plastic, and the switches are mounted on a PCB board. This ensures that the switches are stable and won't move around when you're testing them. In addition to being a great way to try out different switches, the Outemu Switches Tester can also be used to troubleshoot problems with your mechanical keyboard. If you're having trouble with a particular switch, you can use the tester to isolate the problem and identify the faulty switch. Overall, the Outemu Switches Tester is a must-have for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. It's a great way to try out different switches and troubleshoot problems with your keyboard. Here are some of the benefits of using the Outemu Switches Tester. It allows you to try out different switches before making a purchase. It can help you troubleshoot problems with your mechanical keyboard. It's made of durable materials and construction. It's a great value for the price.